All right, gang. Want to show this off to you today. It's something I picked up for our house. This is the Flexi Hose, and believe it or not, holding in my hands right here, I have 75 full feet of watering hose. That's right, 75 full feet. The way these are designed is a little different than your traditional garden hose. This is a flexible and expandable garden hose, and so as water pressure is placed on this, it does stretch out. It does expand until the pressure has been removed from it, and then it slowly goes and comes back into shape. And what you have here is a nice garden hose that you don't need all of that room to store it in. I don't think there's anything more annoying than having to have a large run of garden hose, and when you go to store it, I mean, it takes up so much space, either coiled up in the side of your house or having to throw it in a garage somewhere. It just becomes annoying, and then it becomes easy to get kinked. That's where this is different. It's such a small footprint. It's easy once it's done and empty to just throw it in a bin, to throw it in a storage somewhere. It has a kink-free design because of how these expand and work, to where it's going to be very difficult for it to kink up. These also come fitted on both sides with very high quality brass fittings with their own ball valves for on and off easy operation to make it a quick and high quality hose. So look, if you are looking for a way to be able to have a lot of garden hose around your house, but you don't want to take up so much footprint or install these big box type things to hold all the hose in, check this out. This is made by Flexi Hose. I think you're gonna love it. They come in a bunch of different sizes. I got the 75 footer for my house. Couldn't be happier. I think you're gonna love them.